Every SaaS founder knows the pain. Your customers want connectivity, but your dev team is already drowning. Coding and maintaining integrations is expensive and exhausting. It's time to stop reinventing the wheel. Meet Latenode White Label, the embedded iPaaS that lives inside your software. You embed a full integration and automation engine directly into your product and instantly boost its value, unlocking access to more than 1,000 ready-made integrations, hundreds of LLMs, AI Copilot-powered JavaScript nodes, and headless browser automation. And a strong AI core equips your product with autonomous agents and RAG for smarter connections. Your app becomes the place where customers connect their tools, sync data, and build cross-app automations in minutes. They stay inside your UI, your brand. You own the entire experience. Talk to the White Label team. Turn your product into an integration hub in days, not months. Don't reinvent the wheel. Embed it.